All right, the next thing I want to talk about is game assets. Okay, so I made a folder that has my objects in here. The great thing about Unity, okay, two ways you can do this. Once you've created a project, okay, projects are different than scenes. Projects is everything. Your scene is your level, okay? You've created that project, and you want to start adding your game assets. These assets were what's really moving around in your game. So you can either click and drag. You can grab things from your desktop, drag it over into the project's assets window. Make sure you have a folder, because this gets starting to really, you're going to have lots of different parts, and if you don't, everything is just going to get dumped in that assets folder. Another way, you can take your assets, go to your folder on your desktop. So if I just move this out of the way, I have my Unity. I double click on that. My Pong test. Okay, so in this hierarchy of folders here, there's an assets folder. Each folder that I have here, those were created from over here. You could just dump everything into this assets folder, and then it will automatically appear in your project window. Okay, so that is how you would add assets to a project. Okay,